The Hungry Duckling. What a warm spring we're having, said Mother Duck, fanning herself. Why don't you go for a swim to cool off? Asked Mother Hen. I'll sit on your egg for you. I'm just waiting for my own to hatch. Oh, thank you, cried Mother Duck. I'll be back soon. And so Mother Duck waddled to the pond for a short swim. That's how a little duckling came to be born into a family of chicks. When Mother Hen saw that all the eggs had hatched, she taught the duckling and the chicks how to walk up and down the henhouse ramp to stretch their tiny legs. What a funny waddle he has, said one little chick, pointing to the duckling. He must have been in his egg too long. No, said Mother Hen gently. He is a little duckling, not a hen chick like the rest of you. If you visit the duck pond, you will see that all ducks waddle like that. When it was time to eat, Mother Hen showed her little ones some tasty grain that was spread on the ground. The chicks pecked at it until they were full. But the little duckling's bill was too big and round to pick up the tiny bits of grain. I'm so hungry, he said to one of the chicks. Do you know what ducks eat? No, I don't, answered the chick. I guess I'll have to find out for myself, said the hungry duckling. He waddled down the path, searching for a good meal.